What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today we are going to Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Why? Well, there's a couple of things. One, we are headed out there to go check out the layout for CamaroCon 2019. So if you guys aren't aware, CamaroCon 2019 is coming October 12th and 13th. Get ready, tickets go on sale, all sorts of information. But this trip is to basically go out and check out the venue, make sure everything is going to be exactly how we need it to be. And then also, they so happen to have some NHRA awesomeness going down. So today is qualifiers. It's Friday. It's raining. Sorry if there's water on the GoPro. I can't help it. It's misting right now. It's not really raining, but we're taking the beautiful bird over to Vegas and hope for a nice smooth flight. So I think next is gonna see you in Vegas. Let's get there. And we're here, North Las Vegas, just landed at the airport. My ears are, I think we came down a little faster than normal. Either or, now we gotta get to the track, so let's do that. And we're here. We're at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. We got our passes. Look at that, VIP. Got some sweet passes. I don't know what that means, but we'll find out at some point today. And right now we're headed down to meet up with Craig, who's running the whole jigamarole to really give us a tour of where CamaroCon and everything's gonna take place. Lots of amazing cars everywhere. So we got the staging lanes for drag. That's where the road course is. Ticket gift shop. This is basically where like autocross / show and shine area, and then vendors would be on that side. But you look at this, you're like, oh, it's a big wall. How am I supposed to understand where that's gonna be? Well, if you see how large this area really is, look how deep it goes. It goes forever. So yeah, we'll fit everything and more here at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. I have a feeling this is a birth of a great decision to move out here and some amazing stuff. So let's go take a tour. We are at the Pirelli Proving Grounds. We are taking a cruise around what the road course will actually look like. Don't judge, we're in a Toyota and we're not professionally driving this. Okay, so we cruised around, we saw what the road course would be like. Now I do want to show you, basically this area right in there would be the autocross. It's ginormous, definitely get up to good speeds, a lot of good corners. Depending who we end up working with, we can have a really good autocross course. The idea would be this area right here would be autocross staging. We would have drag race staging on this side with vendors up against the main building. It's gonna be awesome. I'll show you a better layout. We're actually gonna go up because we got sweet passes. So we're gonna take a picture from the top of the building up there, looking down, and I'll show you kind of a layout of sorts of what CamaroCon 2019 will look like. So super excited, but let's go see some racing. Racing's fun, right? Okay guys, we're up at the suites level, but this is the view right here. So imagine over there, autocross. Way over there, road course. Road course is only gonna be Saturday. If you imagine vendor row going across the whole front, show and shine, right by the vendors. Then we have drag race area, and then there's the gap for autocross area because they'll drive across the way to the autocross area. And then all of the general Camaro parking all out over here, basically from like here on. So if you're a car club, you're a group of people, anything, you want to park with your friends, you'll be parking car club over there. If you come to the show and not a Camaro, you'll park out there somewhere. I think that gives you a better idea. But yeah, CamaroCon, it's gonna be epic. And then I'll show you the drag race strip and all that. We already drove the road course, so now it's time to just go watch track racing. I know I said that last time before the last break, but now we're going. So let's do it. Made it to the suite. There's some burnouts down there. See the track.
At 63 under the index. Here's Tony Mandel.
faster. We get some pro stock action. That's a lot faster. Okay guys, this is the first time I am witnessing a four-way drag race ever.
No time.
Yeah, grudge race, no time. There's a lot of cool cars on that line right there. Down from the suites. Okay guys, it's the start of the big boys. They got a solo car going first, then potentially quads after. Not even 4. Dude, you guys gotta experience this at least once in your life. It's insane. Now it's time for some top fuel, guys. Okay, we went down from the VIP suites and now we're checking out the Chevy booth. Look at, you guys remember that from SEMA, right? Bow tie is moved in the right spot. We can hope 2020 GM offers that. We don't know for sure, but it could be coming. And GM is still showing it off. They're calling it a concept car, but they're showing it off. So that can only mean good things, right guys? Right? Maybe. Well guys, the bad news is I had hoped to record a lot more content. I grabbed a battery out of my charger. It said it was green, and I put it in my camera today and it was at 10%. So I'm basically out of battery, so I have to end the video here. But we're here, Las Vegas Motor Speedway. This is where CamaroCon 2019 will be. Again, all the details, everything, description, links down below in the description. It's gonna be a good time. Car show, road course, drag racing, autocross, everything. Vendors, like everything, tons of Camaros, car clubs. We hope to see over 1,000 cars. I would love to see it. Moving to Vegas, I think we'll get more vendors. I think we're closer for some people, and I think it alleviates the worry of people driving into California with their souped up cars. So, Las Vegas Motor Speedway, CamaroCon, October 12th and 13th. We're going to be going full bore. We'll reveal all the vendors, our title sponsor, all of that to come.